Hey guys, Cam here from Xano, and today we're going to be talking about logic centralization, what it means, when it makes sense, and what it looks like in practice. And if you're on a single workspace right now, that's totally fine. This is the mental model for when you grow. And if you're already running multiple workspaces, well, this is how you think about what lives where. Now, at some point, more than one workspace needs the same thing. Say, a pricing rule, or an auth policy, or a canonical customer record. Do you put it in one place and have everyone call into it, or do you copy it into each workspace and let each team own their own version? So that's the centralization question, and most teams aren't necessarily setting out to answer it. They just kind of start building, and then the answer happens by accident. Now, I want to start with a real-world example from a brand that you've probably heard of. Shopify. They had this exact same problem where in the past, every store owned its own auth. Staff across multiple stores had separate logins, separate passwords, and separate 2FA. So when merchants scaled, user records diverged, and Shopify had to build a migration just to merge them back. See, their fix here was to pull auth into one central service that they call identity. Every store calls it via an API. One profile, one password, and it's the same everywhere. Stores got to keep their domain logic, and, well, that's the pattern. We want to take a look at what that looks like. And notice here core in the center. Domain workspaces call into it. They don't need their own copies of shared logic. They just call core when they need it. So what lives in core? Auth, the canonical customer record, shared business rules, Snowflake, it's governance, and everything that has to be the same everywhere lives in core. And of course, there's very obvious pros to doing it this way. One change in core, well, now every workspace gets it. You don't need to sync 4 copies and control version skew or version drift. Plus, compliance and audit live in one place. So where does auth live? Well, that has one answer. And the practical one. If you build a customer lookup once, all 3 domain workspaces can use it. The alternative, of course, is building it 4 times and then keeping those copies in sync forever. But there's also distributed patterns. Say every workspace holds its own copy. It's valid when teams are genuinely autonomous, or say the logic actually differs per domain. Or you're early and you haven't found the real shared boundaries yet. But there's also risk. 4 copies, they'll drift over time. Auth gets patched in payments. Analytics, say, misses it for 2 sprints. It's fine when it's a deliberate choice, but it can get messy when it's the default. Now let's take a quick look at the data layer, where Snowflake's on the left and the Xano database is on the right, and a function stack in core connecting them. Xano has a native Snowflake connector. We can query it directly from a function stack. So we can build the pipeline here in core, and we can pull data in from Snowflake, we can reshape it, and we can write it to the Xano database. The Xano database is our fast application layer for API reads, while Snowflake remains the source of the record, and we can use both. Now, full picture. Core at the top. We have, auth, shared rules, Snowflake, the Xano database, it's our governance, and we have 3 domain workspaces below it, each making API calls into core for things that they don't own. And this is where a serious multi-workspace Xano build will end up. You kind of grow into it. But how do we decide? We want to centralize what must stay consistent. We want to distribute what moves fast. So we're going to centralize auth, customer identity, pricing rules, compliance logic, external integrations. Because if it's wrong in one place, that means it's wrong everywhere. What we want to distribute? Say domain APIs, fast-moving features, and UX-specific transforms. The rule? Well, we want to optimize for cost of change, not the cost of building. Things that must stay consistent cost more when they're distributed, and things that move fast cost more when they're centralized. Now, as a very quick exercise, go ahead and list your workspaces and what each owns. List your shared concerns, be it auth, customer records, pricing, integrations, and for each one, write one word, either centralize or distribute. And if you have just a single workspace, you can go ahead and dissect it and figure out what things can be separated into separate workspaces. Figure out what should live in core. So, food for thought. How do you centralize your setup so that if you make a change, you don't have to make changes everywhere? There's docs in the description so you can get started building on Xano today, and until next time, happy building.